Alright, this is vlog number 2. This is vlog number 2. Today,
with the quiet vlog,
we are testing, this is a comprehensive review of the Beyond Burger plant-based burgers from Beyond Meat. This just came out on Friday in Canada at Sobeys, and time to try it. We like the one from A&W. It was very good, so now we're going to try making it ourselves at home. Hope you enjoy.
yeah.
Alright, first impressions. Marissa, what do you think?
It looks disgusting. It looks like the chicken nuggets that are found up at McDonald's.
Yeah, it kind of looks like mush. But let's open her up.
You vlog all. Oh, that smells really bad.
Oh, wow.
It smells like nail polish.
Oh, kind of smells like cat food a little bit.
It kind of also looks like cat food. Why is there like... Go.
Alright, so this is the patty. We're putting it in with some onions and olive oil. So here we go. There she goes.
I don't even know what that means.
And look at this, I don't have to worry about touching anything, raw
Why?
meat. It's all vegetables. Here's the wax paper. Watch this. Ready? Tastes good.
No, it doesn't.
Alright,
I
so
feel like we lost a lot of it.
don't know what we did wrong, but this is about 5, 7, 8 minutes into cooking the burger. It does not really look like cooked meat or cooked beef. It just looks
like-
kind of like turkey almost.
It looks like we're in a forest and we're like scrounging for seals.
We turned our Beyond Meat burgers into chili. So as you can see here, that's kind of how it turned out. It's gonna be very delicious, I'm sure, but we will let you know how it tastes for real and give you a rating out of 10, as we always do here on the Mar and Park Cooking Show. Rating out of 10. Sound good? See you there. Well, in the Sweet-Boulay household, we love having fun with our chili. Look at those fluffy buns.
We like buns. Do you like buns?
Yes, I love buns. Alright. Marissa,
Yeah.
this is the moment of truth. Here we go.
I don't know about this fake meat. Do I have to take a piece of meat?
That's, yeah.
Is that the point? Wait,
That's what the viewers want to see.
Wait, what if I get sick from this?
It's plants.
I don't know about that. Is it?
You can read the ingredients.
Wait. Okay.
Ready?
Just cheers.
Cheers. Oops. Ready? 3, 2, 1, yeah. A little bit, it has an interesting, like, popping texture. A little bit. Like, it has a chewy texture.
It tastes like a barbecue. A bad barbecue.
Okay, Marissa, what would you rate it out of 10? You get that? A 4, yeah. With the chili, you can't really taste it that much, but...
It'd be good if, like, it just wasn't a thing. Okay.
Alright, so that's...
The chili would be good if it didn't have the plant-based meat.
There you have it, folks. The chili would be good if it didn't have the plant-based meat. Which means...
Are you gonna eat that?
Yeah, actually, folks, thank you for bringing that up, Marissa. I actually do kind of like this meat. It adds texture to the chili. And it has an interesting flavor. So, it has kind of a savory... I don't know how to describe it, but it adds flavor for sure. So I would recommend trying this for yourself, especially in burger form. And maybe you'd figure out how to cook it better, because we could not figure out how to cook it properly.
I think that's what it is.
Maybe that's what it is, yeah.
Okay.
So comprehensive review is incomplete because we didn't cook the burger properly. But best of luck to you, Marissa. This has been another cooking show with
Mar.
Ampar. Happy cooking!